Okay, so discussing about the case. So our case, it says the development of the medical instruments, then the background, the Renaissance period saw significant advancements in the design and use of medical instruments, improving diagnostic and therapeutic techniques. Scenario includes innovations included improved surgical instruments, microscope and advances in diagnostic tools.
So our first question is, what are some of the key medical instruments developing during the Renaissance? So during medical Renaissance, around 400 to 700 century, in a Europe medical knowledge show the significant process, and here are some notable key points. So the first is printing press. So the innovation of printing press in Germany had a massive impact on the medicine. Anastomosis like Adressis Vesalius could mass produce and distribute the work, leading to a wider dissemination of the medical ideas and anatomical diagrams. So the second one is the stethoscope. In 1860, Riemann Liasis invented the stethoscope allowing physician to listen the internal sound of the body and leading to a more accurate diagnosis. So and third one is the experimental invention. So the Renaissance scholars advanced knowledge of a human anatomy through the discretion and the about examination, modernization and medical research. So this development that's a way to the modern medicine and shape understanding of the human body.
Okay, so the second question, it says that how did these instruments improve the medical practice and patient care? Certainly, let's explore how these instruments improved the medical practice and patient care during the Renaissance. Printing press. The invention of the printing press allowed the medical knowledge to be disseminated widely. Physicians and students gained access to this detailed anatomical texts, which enhanced their understanding of the human body. This facilitated better education and improved diagnostic accuracy. Stethoscopes. The stethoscopes invented by the Renaissance in 1816 revolutionized the patient care. It enabled doctors to listen to the internal sounds such as the heartbeats and lung sounds without direct contact. This non-invasive tool improved the diagnosis and monitoring of conditions like heart murmurs, pneumonia and pleural effusions. Experimental investigation showed that the Renaissance scholars, including Andreas Vesalius, conducted meticulous dissections and anatomical studies. Their work led to more accurate depictions of the human anatomy, challenging misconceptions from the earlier eras. This knowledge directly impacted the surgical techniques, patient care and medical education. So in summary, these instruments advanced medical knowledge, diagnosis and patient outcomes, laying the groundwork for modern medicine.
So the third question is, what is the role did technology advanced placement play in the progress of the medicine during this period? So the technology advancements during this medical resistance significantly induced the progress of the medicine. First is printing press, second is stethoscope and third is experimental investigation. So talking about one by one, the first is printing press. The invention of the printing press allowed to widespread dissemination of the medical knowledge to improve the education of the diagnosis. And the second is stethoscope, and the Riemann-Liaison's stethoscope enhanced to patient can by care of the enabling non-invasive listening of the internal sound, aiding the diagnosis. The third is experimental investigation. The scholars and the medical investigation, dissections and the anatomical studies led to be accurate depiction of the human anatomy, impacting on the surgical techniques and the medical education. These inventions laid to the foundation for modern medicines.